Next option is screen recording or display recording, and here this is the screen recording option. Here you select the display capture as the source. Okay, so this is what is called screen recording, whatever extended to your screen size and whatever you want to show on the display on the screen of your computer will be automatically shown, recorded using OBS. Now, how can we incorporate our face recording along with this? For that, we need to resize it. We have to remove another remove. Yes. Okay, we have to resize it first and then add video capture. Okay. So again, if we want to show our face while recording a particular thing or an online activity, we can do like this. So what happens is we can explain directly to our students along with the activities shown here.